Hello guys, good day. And for today's video, I'm requesting everyone to join with me in unboxing something that's from Lazada. Okay, this is what I have. So I need a scissor to open this one. Okay, join me guys as I'm going to unbox this. What's inside? What's inside? Oh my god. Okay, we're going to open this one. The package is well wrapped. Looks good though. This is what I have. Carton is good, but it's not dented. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh my god, it can't open. And this is it. This is it. This one. This one. Yes, what is inside? Thank you, seller. Thank you, Lazada. It comes with a freebie. Baby wipes. Oh, this is a mop. What do you call that? It's for the mop head. I'm going to do this. It's colored green, right color, right. Oh, how could this be? Okay. We're going to try to assemble this one, guys. How could this be? Comes with 2 mop heads. What else? How am I going to do this? Oh, I think this is something like that. Then oh, it's just like that. Oh, it's just like that. You know, guys, I bought this because I just saw this is cheaper. Now I'm just gonna try. How would this be? Just going to try this one. I hope this would last. This would last longer, but you know, for the price, it's very cheaper. It's very cheaper. It's very cheap. How could this be? I tried. How am I going to do that? How am I going to do it? Okay. So this one. What about the other side? Come on. I'm too excited. Come on. I don't know if there is. What do you call that thing? I cried. How am I going to? Is there any tip in doing so? We're just going to put it inside in here. I just don't know if there is a tip how you would put it in here easily. But you know, this is what I have, guys. This one. This looks cute. For the price, this is just cheap. This is just very cheap. Guys, let's try. Let's give it a try. Oh, works fine. Looks good for a very cheap price. It's just 280 guys, plus the delivery fee. The delivery fee is some kind of a bit higher, but the price is 280. This is very cheap. You see, it's working well.